In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for scheduling your coaching calls. Calendly is a fantastic tool that simplifies the process of booking appointments, allowing you to focus more on what you do best: coaching. So let's get started and set up an event type specifically for your coaching sessions. First, you'll want to log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, look for the button that says Create and give it a click. This will present you with a few different event types you can create, but today we're focusing on setting up a one-on-one event type. This option is perfect for coaching, as it allows you to meet individually with your clients and give them undivided attention. Once you've selected the one-on-one event type, it's time to give it a name. Let's call it Coaching 101. This name can, of course, be customized to fit the specific focus of your coaching sessions. Naming your event type appropriately will help both you and your clients instantly recognize the purpose of the meeting. Next up, we need to set the duration of your coaching calls. Ask yourself how long each session generally runs. Is it 30 minutes, an hour, or perhaps 90 minutes? Choose a duration that gives you enough time to provide value without making your sessions too demanding. Remember, this is about maintaining a balance. You want to offer your clients enough time to cover their needs, but you also want to keep your schedule manageable. After setting the duration, it's crucial to decide on the location for your coaching calls. Calendly offers several options for this. You can choose to have meetings via Zoom, over the phone, in person, or through any other method that suits your style. Each of these options has its own set of advantages, so think about what will work best for both you and your clients. If you're opting for Zoom or a phone call, ensure your tech setup is functioning well before the meeting. Now, let's talk availability. Calendly is wonderful because it allows clients to only book slots when you're open for business. Set your availability by choosing specific days and hours you're available for coaching. This way, your clients have choice, but you retain control over your schedule, maintaining that all-important work-life balance. If you wish to enhance your event details, you have the option to do so by clicking More Options. Here, you can add extra information such as a description, intake questions for clients to fill out before the meeting, or any other details the client needs to know before the session. Don't forget to hit Create once you're satisfied with all the details. And that's it. You're ready to start booking coaching calls through Calendly. Now your clients can easily schedule a time with you that fits into both of your calendars, making the whole process smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!